National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles west of Papa, or 10 miles north of Mendota, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Papa around 7:50 p.m. Oroville around 8 o'clock p.m. Shabana around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Compton and West Brooklyn, including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 86. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.